how to cut in a box, a cut-in box, or old work box, switch box, plug box, whatever you want to call it. These you got to be careful, just like the recessed lights, because these ears are very small. If you cut on top of them, this thing will just bloop, suck right in. It's awful. So you have to be very careful with these. So here's what I do. Okay, turn them around to face the wall. My measurement. Let's say we already have our height, and we got our marker. I put my marker right on top. I run my marker right on the top and along the sides. Mark on the top. Mark on the bottom, down the sides. Oops. Got on the box, not the drywall. I make my line straight across. There's the box itself. Okay. Now, get our keyhole saw, drywall saw, whatever you want to call it. Cut that out. Just jam it in there. Don't go on the outside of the line. Stay on the inside. Again, you'd rather have it too small than too big. You can always trim it a little bit or shave it off with a razor knife, the drywall, if it doesn't fit. The key is to keep it snug so it doesn't pop out. All right, there you are. Now, these ears, if you push this box in and you try to use your screw gun to pull these back, a lot of times you'll push the box through. So what I do is I run them in first, so I get them kind of loose. Yeah, sorry about my light. And then I put them back the way they were. So it's just that much easier, that much less pressure I use to install them inside the drywall. Okay, take our box, stick it in there. We're nice and snug. Same thing, just gently. I could feel that it stopped. Boom. Nice and snug. 60 seconds.